there, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you've been before, hello, welcome back. And if this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. So I am still on a journey to tidy and organize our home. There's always little things here and there to make the home more comfortable and practical. So today it's a cold winter's day and I am going to do a little DIY alongside my husband. It is cold, but I'm going to have to brave the weather and step outside for a minute and then bring it back in to wrap it up. So I hope you will enjoy this quick little DIY. If you do, don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not yet, and if you have, thank you so much. You are very much appreciated. And yeah, guys, share my video with your friends, your families, everybody you know. That would be great. Anyway, let's jump into it. And yeah, hope you enjoy it. So we live in the south of the UK, and water here is very hard and lime scale is a killer. The water from the tap is safe to drink, but it doesn't taste great. Previously, we used to spend a lot on bottled water, and it adds up, right? We then moved on to filter jugs, and yeah, we do drink a lot of water, so we decided to make that change. Okay, now we have jug which we filter for our kettle, and then we have this one that we just, you know, with a glass, it's got a little tap just here just to drink straight from it. It is in the corner of our counter against the deep freezer here, but it's not very practical where it is. I have placed it onto this little glass drawer, which originally I purchased this to store coffee pods in it, but at the moment we are not using it for anything, so I placed this water filter on top here, and it's just not practical. Every time I need to grab a glass of water, I can maybe show you, right? I have to pull it, you know, further to me, closer to me rather, and pour it. Okay, so I came up with an idea of maybe building something to rise it up a bit higher so that the glass can fit under the tap without having to move the filter container every time. So that's what we're going to do. We are going to build something a bit more practical for our filter container here. These two short clips was two previous videos that my husband and I collabed together, and we built a coffee corner for our home and also a book and plant shelf. So if you have not seen this video, go back and check it out and let us know what you think. So the little riser that we are going to build for our filtration container is going to be inspired by these two pieces of furniture. Therefore, we are going to use the similar kind of style and color, gold and this beautiful sage green. I am all about the green this year and the year before, and yeah, for me, green is bringing me peace. And if you are someone who enjoys peace and making everything work with what you've got, you are in the right place. Right then, so my little riser for water dispenser is completed. I have applied 2 coats of this beautiful natural sage green color, as well as a gold trim all around. My husband came up with the idea of adding a little lip to the back of it, just to prevent the container from sliding and falling over, basically. I am so in love with it. I think it's really cute. Our kitchen is mostly black and gray, silver. So I am slowly trying to insert a little bit of color. I am not really into very bright in your face colors, but when it comes to the kitchen now, I think that this color works with what we have already. And again, like I mentioned, we are keeping in tune, in style with the bookshelf slash plant shelf that we built, my husband and I, previously, as well as our little coffee corner. If you've not seen these videos, you can go back and check them out. So yeah, all completed, and I am really chuffed. So I'm just going to place it here in the corner, and of course the filter water dispenser is going just here, and I can really push it to the back of the counter, and it looks like it was made for this space. It's really taking less space as well compared to the other setup that I had previously. Right, let me do a quick test. There we go. So a bit more practical, I feel, and it's in the corner and it looks good. Right then, so this concludes my video for today. Thank you so much if you are still here watching. I hope you have enjoyed my little collab again with my husband while we build this cute little riser for our water dispenser here in the corner of our kitchen. And if you know me, I love to make everything beautiful. Why not? I've added a beautiful bouquet of flowers from my husband. Thank you, honey. And also some tomatoes, limes, as well as a beautiful candle. Make your home beautiful. You know, that's your space. Why not, right? So I will just say thank you again. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. And if you haven't, maybe you will join me on this journey where I am navigating life and coming with ideas of how to make the home work, practicality around the home, and make it a beautiful space for yourself to live in. You might also maybe be somebody like myself and my husband, where you live in a smaller space, there's always a way to make things work for yourself and also make it beautiful. Anyway, I will love you and leave you for now. And like I always say, guys, get out there and do what? Do what you love. Until next time, merci bien et au revoir. Bye.